Yo, what is going on, boys, and welcome back to the channel. So guys, if you're new here, my name's Exhausted. I make videos on Mia, my MX5, and loads of other awesome projects on the channel, as well as going to car shows, events, things like that in the UK. So be sure to subscribe if you're new here, and smash that notification bell down below to be automatically updated whenever the latest Exhausted video comes out. But yeah guys, what we're going to be doing in today's video is we're going to be cracking on with what I like to call V2 Mia. We're going to be cracking on with the conversion and the rebuild, and we're going to be carrying on with the interior of the car. So boys, since the last video, I've done a couple of little bits and bobs inside the interior, which I'm going to show you over. Nothing too drastic. And then what we'll do is we'll crack on with the interior. So if I grab the camera now, and what I'll do is I'll show you around and show you exactly what we've done since we last saw each other. Oh yeah guys, and if you haven't noticed, the quality is a lot better. This is filmed on my girlfriend's phone. It's an iPhone X. Might actually have to upgrade to the new iPhone when it comes out, because the quality is, yeah, really good. But what we'll do, actually, we need to go around this side, because that side's locked. Before we go into the MX5, oh, see my temporary seat. What we've done is we've completely removed all the carpet, and we've also removed the heater and the heater matrix pipes which come through the firewall right here. So that's all removed, and the interior is pretty much completely stripped down. If you guys remember from the last video I saw, there was an abundance of wires there. They were literally the biggest mess in the world. And what I've done is I've neatened those up all nicely, wrapped them all with electrical tape, and kind of followed the wires here so they're completely out of the way and they don't get caught on your feet. So that looks a lot better. I did scan the complete floor pan, everything like that. There was no rust whatsoever, apart from a tiny bit of surface rust right here. So boys, if we look at it from this angle, you can see it's been repainted. I haven't tried to go for a nice finish. It literally was a 10-minute job. Just 2 coats of primer, 2 coats of paint, because it was baking with sun. It literally dried it so quickly. But yeah, that's sorted out. That's going to be covered anyway, so you're not going to notice it, but it's just going to prevent it from getting any further than surface rust. But yeah, that's everything we've done so far. So we'll crack on with the MX5 now. So what we're going to be doing in today's video of the MX5 restoration is we're going to be working on the interior again and starting to kind of piece things back together. So what we're going to do is we're going to completely clean the interior, and we're going to go ahead and zip tie any of the stock wiring out of the way which could rattle. And the reason why we're going to be doing that is because on loads of the interior carpets we're going to be removing as much weight as possible, and all this insulation does actually add up, and I've added up quite a lot of weight, as well as all of these parts here which I've stripped down and taken out. So we are removing quite a lot of weight, and basically the wires underneath are going to rattle if we don't secure them down, because this is basically stopping them from rattling. So it's got a nice cushioned surface, so we're going to make sure they're all secure and there's no rattling, and it's going to make it a lot louder in the interior. But race car bro, that's why we're doing it. So first of all, what we're going to do before we start cleaning up this carpet is we're going to remove all of this insulation from the back. This is just glued down, I think it looks like, so we can just rip as much of it up as possible. And then what we'll do is we'll go neaten up all of these bits, maybe with a knife or something like that, to get them off where it's actually been adhered down to the underside of the carpet. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and rip all of this off the underside of the carpet now.
Rising up like a phoenix is, been tired of pushed to the ground, speaking my heart like it really.
So guys, when I was doing this, quite a lot of the glue which was attaching it down, or the adhesive, whatever was used, was still soft, so it could pull up quite easily. However, I think what I've noticed is since I've obviously done the turbo, there's been a lot more heat going round this side where the exhaust is, and the side where the turbo is, which has hardened all the glue, and it doesn't come off easily at all. So if you guys are doing this yourself, just a scraper, like a wallpaper scraper, worked absolutely wonders just to pull it up. Now this might not look very neat, but it's coming off a lot easier than just sitting here picking and just stuff like that happening, and your hands getting covered in glue like I was doing for ages. So yeah guys, use a scraper. I'm gonna crack on and finish this because you don't want to watch me scraping up glue, and then we will start actually restoring this carpet. So guys, the glue's completely removed from the carpet, like you guys can see. Apart from a couple of little stains which are still on there, but it looks pretty good. So we're going to go ahead and flip it over now, and we're going to hoover the whole of the other side so it's completely clean, or as clean as we can get it. Then we're going to go ahead and give it a clean, and then we're going to give it a pressure wash, basically on a lower pressure setting, so it doesn't ruin the carpet, but so it gets all of the dirt and grime out of it, and hopefully gets it smelling nice and fresh. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and do that now, and if needs be, we're going to dye the carpet, but we're going to see what it looks like after we've given it a wash and it's dried out. So now what we're going to do after it's been completely hooved, you can see it's looking a lot nicer, but it's still looking a bit discoloured. So we're going to go over it and basically get all the big bits out with like an upholstery and carpet cleaner, and it's got a brush on it so we can get all the big bits out onto the surface. And then we're going to go ahead and pressure wash the whole of the carpet, leave it to dry, and then we'll go ahead and do this again and then hoover it one last time, and hopefully it'll be all okay. So this is literally, it just comes out in a mist like snow, and then you just give it a scrub, and that will just lift up all of the dirt which is below the carpet, which the hoover hasn't taken out. So now the carpet's been cleaned with the carpet cleaner, we're going to go ahead and use some actual proper indoor carpet cleaner, and we're going to spray it over and then pressure wash it with this. So if we swap these over. Like you saw me doing there, we're going to work from the top down and basically wash all of this off, do it really thoroughly and do it step by step so you don't miss any bits. And we're just going to go ahead, like I said, wash all this off, and then we'll do the other side the exact same, and we'll leave this to dry nicely in the sun for about a day until it's completely dry. So boys, now that the carpet's completely been cleaned, we're going to go ahead and zip tie all of the wires which are loose in here. Like, I'm not sure if you guys can see from the angle, it's loads of them are a bit loose and wobbly, so I've got a couple of zip ties, but we'll go around this area and zip tie them in place. Right boys, so all of our wiring is zip tied into place. We've got a couple of loose ones up there, but they're all going into the back of things on the dashboard and they're roughly the right length, so they should all be fine. So what we're going to do now is we are going to give this a nice hoover, a little wipe down, and then yeah, that'll be ready to have the carpet and have the carpet reinstalled tomorrow hopefully when it's dry. So yeah, we'll go ahead and give this a hoover up now. Right boys, so I've just finished hoovering and I've just found only one more little spot of a bit of surface rust right here. As you can see, if I give it a little rub, I can almost pretty much rub it away, it's just on the surface. But I'm going to sand this down and repaint it and rust treat it and everything like that, just to make sure it doesn't get any worse. And then yeah, we're good to go. The rest of it is all solid, no other parts. So it was just two tiny little bits which are worth treating now. So I'm going to get to work on this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some interior cleaning wipes and go ahead and give the whole of this a nice clean down, because there's parts of dirt which have like basically been mixed with like some sort of liquid and the hoover didn't get it out. So we're going to go ahead, wipe it all down, treat that sort of rust bit, and then yeah, that is probably all we can sort of do to that until the carpet's ready to go back in. As you can see, it's been nicely sanded down, but since the air is quite tight, we're going to go ahead and use some Loctite Rust Remedy anyway, just to be on the safe side, in case there are some remains of rust still in the area. So we're basically going to paint a layer of this on and wait for it to dry. Now this stuff normally takes about 5 to 10 minutes to dry, but since it's quite warm outside, we're just going to wait till it goes nice and completely white, and you'll be able to tell it's not wet, it will have completely changed colour. And then once that's done, we can go ahead and paint it. We're going to be using a white primer and then the Mazda classic red paint, which is a similar sort of colour. It doesn't match perfectly because it's the Halfords one, but it'll do the job for this area, which we won't see because it's under the carpet. So guys, whilst we've been waiting for that coat of primer to dry, I've basically cleaned the whole interior. As you can see down here, look at all of those whites, which are absolutely filthy. But now we're going to give it a coat of red, and then that bit will be completely done, and then we can leave the interior basically until the carpet is dry to go back in. So let's give this a coat. Right boys, so I've just finished painting that, and this is pretty much almost dry, but look how much better that looks. Looking pretty much good to do. If we go down to this angle, looking a lot nicer. We'll do, when I give it a clean, we'll get all of it like looking perfect. You can see where it's worn down slightly in those sort of areas, and there's still little bits of dirt, but now they're all on top now, all the bigger bits which weren't there before, which we can go ahead and get out. So yeah, we'll wait for that to completely dry because the sides are all still wet. But yeah, just wanted to show you this guys because it looks absolutely sick. So guys, I'm going to end the video here. I know it's been quite short, but it's getting a bit late and I fancy chilling. I'm a bit tired because I had quite a late night last night. So yeah, we're going to leave the video here, and also the carpet is still soaking wet, so we can't put it back in until it dries out. But yeah guys, massive thanks for watching. Smash that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, and in the next video what we're going to be doing is we're going to be seeing the results of the carpet, giving it a final little clean up, putting it back in and start reassembling the parts of the interior, which we're going to be keeping, just giving them a nice little spruce up so they look nice and new. And then yeah, we're going to be talking about what we're going to be doing with the rest of the parts, because some of the parts we're going to modify which are going back in. And we're going to start getting a bit more modification based on the resurrection of Mia, or V2 of Mia. But yeah boys, like I said, thanks for watching, and until the next one, adios.